Hey crew, welcome to Houston. Today I'm going to show you the top 3 Instagrammable places in Houston. Number 3 on the list is the Houston Waterwall. And it's a 64-foot tall, U-shaped waterfall. It's pretty cool. You walk in, it feels like you're walking into a cave almost. Number 2 on the list is the Montrose paint wall. If you have seen any pictures from Houston, you've seen the Montrose paint wall. The number 1 place for Instagram in Houston is Graffiti Park. It is kind of a cluster of warehouse type buildings, and it is everything you need for your Instagram page, including a wing wall. And what Instagram account doesn't need a picture in front of some wings? This has been an awesome day exploring Houston. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See ya.